Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. This time I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strojan 2.0 in this video. My snack reviews, Oreo, Halloween, Boo cookies. This is Jeffrey on his backup channel, and he asked me. This is Jeffrey on his backup channel, and he asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hello everyone, Surian. Today I'm gonna be doing a brand new snack review. Oh, this is gonna be the first snack. This will be the first snack review on the backup channel. Jeffrey Strojan 2.0.
Wow.
So yeah, like I said in my about, that I would do most of my stuff that I do on the main channel, on the backup channel, like I do always.
Right.
So but before I even start this next review, I do want to say, if you do like stuff in my channel, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell on every time I upload. And so yeah. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure you get all my videos, your reach videos, and other videos to my channel. Even on the main channel also, on the videos on the main channel also, a big thumbs up for the algorithm if you haven't yet. So yeah. So now, let's get this snack review right now. Today, Oreos. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in 3, 2, 1. Reviewing the Oreos Boo ones.
Wow.
The Halloween.
I'll be right back, everybody. I gotta go blow my nose. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Halloween Oreos.
Wow.
So yeah, just got these this last week on Friday when I got these. So yeah, just got these. So pretty much as always though, here's the little snack thing right here for always though.
Right.
I'm gonna get it open. I'm going to get one out right now. Well, the signs on these cookies.
Wow.
You see the blue on there. It's kind of backwards on there. So we got it still. So it seems to. There's also a Dare to Dunk also one. Which you possibly cause this is. So I'm gonna get into trying the cookie towel.
Okay.
Without further ado.
Yes.
How bad? Well, I got.
Bet it is good, and wow.
You really have a good day. Really has a good day.
I bet they do, and wow.
A little bit of little orange cream on here.
Wow.
That's unique.
Right. wow. It is unique, and wow.
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are like some good cookie. Good Oreo cookie there. Oh yeah. Definitely good there.
I bet they are good, and wow. Sorry, everybody. I had to clear my throat. Sorry about that, everybody.
Oh yeah. Really good.
Bet they are
Oh,
good.
yeah, they
Wow.
Later. So while I give my rating on the Halloween Oreos cookies, probably gonna be my pie list, but who knows? And on there it says 5 spooky Halloween designs. I only showed 2 of them. I would have shown the other ones. I go by this and sometimes I don't know where they are. But hard finding them in there.
Understandable.
So yeah. So yeah. If I get my rating on them, for regularly wise, I give it regularly wise I give it 10 out of 10, and professionally wise I give it an 89. So yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, that's the snack review. And I hope you guys like the snack review. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn notifications bell on every time I upload. And share my videos, your videos, and other videos that you may channel to your friends and videos if you want your choice. Because I am making you. So yeah. And on me and on this channel here, Jeffrey 2.0, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And on the back, in the gaming channel, Jordan Gaming, in the main channel, the gaming channel, so to 100 subscribers also, in the main channel, on the road to 3K subscribers. Right. So yeah.
Right.
And that's the end of this snack review. And I'll see you all for more banger reviews. So I'll see you next time. Keep Jordan signing out. Peace out, legends, and peace out, everyone.
That was an awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to Jeffrey Strojan 2.0's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel. And give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 10,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate it. And the link to Jeffrey Strojan 2.0's original video will be down in the description down below. I just thought I'd let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!